I have noticed you reference many Substack letters in your videos. Yes, I do. It would help if you can mention your favorite Substacks topics-wise. You inspired me to read, and I would like to subscribe to them. Yeah, as you know, I read a ton. I did make a mistake in a video. Well, not a mistake, but I said I'd read 300 articles a day. It's always my goal. But I start with the crack of dawn. Sometimes I'm reading articles at 3 a.m. in the morning. But I said a mistake that misled some people, that they thought I did it in an hour because my calendar of my day says read, and I had 300 articles. I don't read 300 articles in a day, but over the space of 24 hours, yes, I try. Now, here are some of the Substack subscriptions that I subscribe to. There's Doomberg, Bitcoin Archive. There's like macro stuff, Crypto Slate, Ecoinometrics, K33, Beat Market, Swiss Block, Substack, Reads, No Opinion Market Sentiment, Macro Markets, The Intellectual Investor, etc. These are some of them, but there's a problem. Some of them are very expensive. For example, these are the prices that I pay. And of course, my job is to research for you all, so you don't have to spend this. But some are $6.99 a year, some are $1,200 a year, some $365, some $1,000, some $4,600, etc. So if you literally, I spend tens of thousands of dollars in subscriptions every year, data subscriptions, Substack subscriptions, newspapers, everything else. And I don't expect the average person in this audience to do that. But I need to be able to have the best information to give to you guys. So think of me as your filter. I read it all for you, pull out the best parts, and deliver it to you. Therefore, you should subscribe to the channel. In addition, some of these things are often only weekly. You just get one newsletter. So you could be spending $1,000 in a newsletter, and you get 50 as a result of that. And that is, a problem. Now, we do have one, and a lot of it is fed by many of the data that I read from all my sources too. And I wouldn't do something unless I know I can be the best. So we have almost a daily publication. It's $45 a year, which is about 13 cents a newsletter. Pretty much every day. It's the least expensive, most frequent, most alpha filled, and the broadest scope, covering crypto, equities, real estate, macro, models, trades, unique insight, etc., to make you smarter for as little money as possible. And all the proceeds go to our community writers as well. So great little father and son team. So that's kind of what we do. So subscribe to it for free. Somebody will put a link up there and just check it out. You get a lot of the glimpse of what you need in the nuggets. And if you want more deep, consider investing again.